What happened? What is all that? Hold on, Kens. Hold on, baby. Wow, nothing can stop you, three-legged dog.
What's going on?
What is it? Look at Kenzie. Just.
Oh,
It's stuck, baby.
Oh.
Hold on, Ken. Daddy's coming. What do you think, Sienna?
Crazy, huh, guys?
What do you think, Dad? We got our work cut out for us today. Unbelievable. Kids, you stuck? Look, Ent still made it.
Oh my God.
Hold Ent. Alright, I'll put this down so I can help you.